Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest impact. Today we're going to replace the door handle and window crank on this 56 F100.
Our handles use an Allen type screw as opposed to the slotted screw like the originals. First, remove the screw on the door handle. Then the screw on the window crank. Years of continued use may result in damaged splines. Now is the time to inspect these before installing the new handles. We do offer both complete regulators or just the replacement shaft if you find yours is damaged. Make sure the set screw is backed out enough to install the handle on the spline. Position the window crank in the desired position and tighten the set screw. Repeat the process with the door handle.
As you can see, the door handles on our 56 F100 were worn and pitted. By replacing them with shiny new Dennis Carpenter reproductions, we have enhanced the look of our interior. This is just one of the small upgrades you can perform yourself to spruce up your F100. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. If you have any suggestions or requests on videos you'd like to see on our channel, comment below.